If you want to quickly search for anything on the web, Google Chrome makes it extremely simple. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to search in Google Chrome in just a few seconds, using the address bar at the top of the browser. This is one of the easiest computer skills to learn, and once you know it, you can search for websites, answers, products, videos, and almost anything else online. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or dock, depending on the device you're using. Once Chrome is open, look at the very top of the window. You'll see the address bar, also called the Omnibox. This is where you can type both website addresses and search queries. Click inside the address bar once so your cursor appears there. Now type whatever you want to search for. For example, you could type Best Laptops 2026, How to Make Coffee, or anything else you want information about. As you type, Chrome may show suggestions below the bar, which can help you search faster, but you do not need to click any of them unless you want to. When your query is ready, simply press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will automatically use your default search engine, which is often Google, to search for your query. Within a moment, you'll see a full list of results appear on the page. From there, you can click any result that looks useful, open images, videos, news, or refine your search if needed. If you want to search again, just click back in the address bar and type a new query. That's all there is to it. Searching in Google Chrome is fast, easy, and built right into the browser, so you never have to open a separate search app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.